Today, Sitara was enjoying chit-chatting with her friend on the phone while suddenly she gets to hear a loud noise coming from the kitchen. She overhears her mother-in-law ranting about her to her father-in-law. Quickly, she runs into the kitchen. "What happened, Mama?" "Sitara, you don't do your duties well. You forgot to keep those utensils in place, the clothes for drying, the curry has just burned, and the work's just lying like that." The mother-in-law just went on and on in front of everyone. "Mama, I just went to attend the phone call. I was about to do it." "Sitara, your excuses will never end." "Why are you talking so rudely to me, Mama?" "As if you talk nicely to me, Sitara." The husband interrupts. "What's this fight about? You both always keep fighting. There's just no peace in this house." And he storms out. Sitara was dumbstruck. She had expected her husband to take her side. She had been married for years now. But these petty conflicts between them never ended. Her mother-in-law wanted to find flaws in her at the drop of the hat and demean her whenever possible. Initially, Sitara never reacted to her mother-in-law, but now no more. She had started reacting and viciously answering her back. There was a whirlwind of thoughts in her mind. Why should I always listen to her when I'm not wrong? Shouldn't my husband give me the support I need? And my mother-in-law? Shouldn't she give me the love, appreciation and respect I deserve? Give me respect, give me love, give. The word kind of rang a bell in her mind. But I am learning that I have to give. So does this mean that I should give her respect first? Let me try this then. She kind of calmed down. She made up her mind that from now on she will not want respect, but give respect to her. So as usual, she went on to lay the table and her mother-in-law commented, "Sitara, you didn't lay the table properly." Immediately she wanted to defend, comment and resist, but she held herself back and politely answered, "Okay, Mama, I'll just do it." The mother-in-law was surprised with the tone of her voice. Next, while eating lunch, the curry prepared by her mother-in-law was very good. For once she thought, why should I appreciate her? She never does. But then she rethought, shouldn't I respect her for the efforts she takes to cook even at this age? She looked at her and said, "The curry you made today is very tasty." Yummy. Thank you so much, Mama." Her mother-in-law was startled. Slowly, as days passed, Sitara started to notice the small little things her mother-in-law would do for her, and she began to thank her every time. Days passed and Sitara made all efforts to respect her mother-in-law rather than refuting her. And a day came when Sitara was talking to her friend and they were making plans to go out. When done on the phone, Sitara knew that her mother-in-law would disrespect her decision of going out, leaving so much work behind, leaving the kids behind. But to her surprise, her mother-in-law said, "Could you please make some tea before you go out? And don't worry, I will take care of the kids and manage the work." Sitara was surprised with the softness in her mother-in-law's voice. This was all she had wanted from so many years. She was feeling understood today. She was feeling respected today. She was feeling peaceful today. And she saw a ray of hope today. This was the beginning of a new relationship. She had the joy of learning the lesson, give respect to get respect. And there, Sitara walked one more step towards her destination, peace. Today,